2014 Ford F450 Super Duty XL Vulcan body snatch truck. This truck is a single owned truck, locally owned here in Virginia. We get a lot of vehicles from this particular company. This truck is outfitted extremely well. Has the wheel dollies, which are locked on so they can't get stolen. It does have the quick snatch arms. It is an actual wrecker. It does have a single line winch. A lot of these don't. And it's a Miller Industries truck and build. Has the aluminum light bar with a wheeling light on top. This is a gas motor truck. Mileage on the truck is 196,000, I believe. I'll go ahead and operate the boom real quick. Up, boom down. Extend. Track. Arms open. Arms closed properly. Everything is supposed to do. The nicest part about this truck is, just prior to it coming into us, they had already ordered a new truck, decommissioned this one, and had told us this truck was coming. In the process, the engine started making a noise. The dealership could not determine what it was, whether it was lifter, cam, rocker arm. They recommended an engine. This company, being as good as they are, held by their word, and this truck has a brand new factory replacement engine in it. When I say brand new, it does not have 1,000 miles on it. We have driven it a little bit just to make sure it didn't have any glitches. We've sent it to the Ford dealer, had the computer scanned, had it serviced, had it inspected. You can see down there, you can see it is a brand spanking new motor. It does also have a brand new battery. We went ahead and serviced it. They recommended that after a few thousand miles. It has 19.5 alloy wheels. The rear tires did pass inspection, but they are close on tread. Still have serviceable life, but they are close. This truck has just been priced at $32,995. This is the rock bottom on this truck. Cash deal, finance deal. However the money comes in, it's the same to us. But you won't find another one in this kind of shape with a Vulcan Miller Industries bed for this kind of price point with a brand new engine. If I'm not mistaken, that engine job cost them $12,000 or some crazy amount. I have the invoice somewhere in the file, but it was not cheap. They also did some service while it was in because we always request that everything be up to date. So I think they did some brake work or something like that. That was part of the deal too. So ready to go truck, runs out good, drives good, AC is ice cold. Everything functions and works like it should. Aftermarket CD player, beacon light switches, and a clean interior. 804-271-0030 with any questions. Thank you.